We're gonna miss the sunset. Oh well. Love it. About first belt blown. Oh, what a mess. That's the first time I ever blew a belt. That's pretty awesome. I got a spare though, Eggy. Hey? I got a spare. Yeah? Yeah, if I can get that off. I don't. Oh, she blew at full speed too, boy. She blew at full speed. I wonder if it bent that, if that's why it's, I think it bent that, that's why that's not coming off here. Trailside mechanics.
No one.
Yeah, I think that, oh yeah, that's bent right up. She's fucking hot in there, Egg.
Oh yeah, it should be. Gotta get the pin out?
No, there's no pin. It's a, see this flap here has got to be bent down.
Oh yeah?
In order for that to pull off. What a mess. Shit. We're gonna miss the sunset on that river trail.
Yes, we are.
Might be able to just leave it on.
Okay.
Leave it like that.
You gotta get all this shit out of it.
Yeah, I can. Just this'll spread the sheaves.
The way that shredded it.
Oh yeah, she's fucking. It was just like whoop.
Nothing.
It's just like you hear this weird sound and.
Is this the same wheel as mine?
Yep, exact.
Okay.
So you're learning something here, Aggie.
I am. I should probably buy one.
Underneath my hood, so if you pop both sides and slide the hood down, there's a belt under there. Yeah, we should always have a spare belt with us. There's pliers in here.
Hey?
I thought there was pliers in here to bend that fucking tab down.
Well, that just goes like that. And then this can go back on. What?
You slide. No, it's just funny.
Huh?
Love it.
Always something.
Better a belt than a motor.
That right out?
Yeah, you're screwing it in and it pushes the sheaves apart. Like it's pushing this thing towards in, yeah. So there you go. Yeah, it's got to roll the track, eh? There we go.
Get any?
Oh wait, I got it.
You got it all?
I think so. What about the primary? Can't believe how black it just fucking mangled that. And my buddy Dino went 13,300 kilometers on the original belt.
Are you serious?
And he rides hard.
It's been done or no?
Yeah, that one there I put a new one on when the year I got it. I used to do that.
Yeah. Do you want me to try and lift it?
No, you don't have to lift it for the front one here, because it's the actual engine.
I can actually spin. Get this shit out of here. That's better.
It's like a rat was in there.
Yeah.
Look at the belt. Gotta get a picture of that.
Yeah.
Good thing Moose isn't here.
Oh fuck.
I wouldn't hear the end of it.
Nope.
Aggie. And Ski-Doos in their belts. And there's a rotation direction on here too you gotta watch.
What if you're in reverse?
Don't know if that counts.
Now you gotta pull a brake in for the ports.
Nah, just a couple, okay. I think I put a new belt on this.
Have you?
When I got it. We're back in business, Aggie.
Oh, it's fucking floppy now.
No, but when you see it's bound, right? When you spin it, it'll...
Yeah.
Maybe lift on it and let's spin it to get the sheaves set after I pull this tool out. Like lift up the ass.
Oh, okay.
And I'll just spin it so that the belt will come out of that.
Come out of...
Out of the... It'll... See it's jammed in there. So lift up the ass.
That's your toolbox.
Yep. Come on. There it goes. It's starting to come up. Okay, that's good. There you go, Aggie.
Well, fuck, eh?
Learn something every time you ride with me, eh?
You need that tighter nut, no?
No.
Are you serious?
What's that? Oh, it'll tighten up. It's just, I wanted to get it more in the sheath.
Oh,
yeah, like it'll tighten up. No, it'll tighten up. As soon as I start to go, it'll tighten up. What a mess. Leave tracks, not trash, Aggie.
Yeah, okay.
This is my club. I gotta keep it clean. Are these the best take trails in frickin' all of Ontario?
You're like the only guys on them, man.
I know. That's the best part.
I know.
And they're so well staked. You think word would get out and everybody would be here. Oh, minor setback. We're rolling now. Just a minor setback. Like I said, I'm glad Moose wasn't here. He wouldn't let me leave down. There's some growling under there I don't like. See what that noise is. That noise I don't like. It might be I'm just in here investigating the horrible noise at low RPM. So it's when you're starting out on the machine. So this is since I blew my belt. And you can see I have to clean up the clutches yet, but it left some rubber marks. Even in here, this face here needs to be cleaned, but and I'll clean that up as well. But I've used a tool. I've expanded the clutch. I'm just looking around the secondary. And if you look right here, hopefully it comes out. Right there, that there is my roller. It's a little fragment of the roller that's actually blown apart. So when the clutch was at high RPM and this is spread open so the belt's dropped in, that gap where the rollers are was wide open. Belt blew off and one of the cords actually must have came in contact with a roller and smashed it. So that is why I am getting a horrible noise. And what I noticed is that this gap here, it was maybe about like that. The actual clutch sheave was not coming to rest on this when it was at idle, and that's not good either, because that means the belt's sitting lower in here, so it had no power off the bottom end. But I took it easy anyway because I knew there was an issue with the noise. I don't like to pin it when that's happening, but this wasn't sitting, so that belt was never going to sit where it should be for proper acceleration, and that's a thing. So I'm gonna have this. I don't have time today, so I'm gonna have BYR take a look at the rollers and replace them, and I should be good to go for the weekend and March break next week. Hopefully that helped. If you have some noise after you blow a belt, check your rollers in your secondary. It's not uncommon that you could smash them when you when the belt blows. You can see the fragment right there. See the fragment right there, peeking out. I'm gonna pull that out, put the belt on, get that into BYR. Cheers.